Responsive grid that fills every space automatically. Clean layout with perfectly aligned items, all powered by CSS Grid Autofill. Title: Dev Fix Grid Autofill. Inside the body, we create a main container with the class Grid. This container will hold all our items and be controlled using CSS Grid. Inside the grid, we add multiple card elements. Each card represents a product: shoes, headphones, watch, phone case, laptop stand, and mouse. Each item is placed inside its own div with the class card for consistent styling. This structure keeps the layout clean and reusable. The grid will automatically create as many columns as possible using autofill in CSS. And finally, we link our HTML to the CSS file using the link tag inside the head section. Start with the body. Set a light background color and add padding for spacing around the layout. Now, target the grid container. Set display to grid to activate grid layout. Define the columns using repeat with autofill and minmax. Autofill creates as many columns as possible based on available space. Minmax sets a minimum width of 160 pixels and allows each item to grow and fill remaining space. Add gap to create consistent spacing between items. Set a light background color for the grid container. Add padding and apply border radius for a smooth layout. Now, style the cards. Set a blue background and white text for contrast. Add padding to increase size. Center the text, round the corners, and make the text bold for better visibility. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to DevFix for more quick CSS fixes. Don't miss the next one.